Feedback number 1. This elastic hurts behind the ear. तो हमने क्या किया? What did we do for this? We have now an adjuster on the elastic. Conventionally, you will put it in the center. But when I put on the center, it will hurt my ear here. So what I have done is I have offset it, and now when I wear, okay, the adjuster is over here, and I can adjust the length, and the elastic is on my ear. So this is very soft. It does not hurt me. Same way over here, I can adjust, and I don't feel any discomfort. Plus, you can see I can speak with the same volume in this mask. The breathability is very good. An N95 mask respirator is supposed to have no leakage from ear. You can see I am wearing my glasses, I am blowing. There is no fogging in my eyes. This has also an anti-corona resistance deactivation property. So whenever I have any virus corona coming, it will deactivate. The DuraPro Plus has got splash resistance. So if I am in a foundry environment, I am in a dusty environment, cement, or I am in a biologically loaded environment where I've got virus and everything, this coating protects me with 98% filtration efficiency, and that is why I can feel safe, comfortable, don't have to keep on adjusting the mask. It stays fit, is sealed with a lining, and it is made out of fabric. Sustainable, can be reused, recycled. If you are buying in bulk as an organization, what you can do is you can collect all these masks after the life as given is over, send it back to us at Mimamsa. Mimamsa will reprocess them, coat them back, and give them back to you. If you want a logo of your company over here, yes, it can be done. Represent yourself as an organization and use this mask, protect our people from not only corona but any such diseases and the pollution, particularly in the foundry industry, for people who are working on foundry floor, in the furnace area or in the molding area, sand plant area, fettling area. Protect them from breathing in dust and particulate, because this surface is able to filter more than 98% of less than 0.3 to 0.3 micron of particles. So my friends, please go to mimamsa.in and look for this mask, buy it, try it, and feel safe, stay healthy. Thank you.